Good morning, class. So for today, we are now in our second quarter, week 4. So continuation po ng ating relation and function. So for today, we have the function. So what is a function? A function is a relation in which every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the range. So take note that a relation is not always a function. Pero every function is a relation. So, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ang function, so let's have these examples. So, alamin lang natin if it is a function or not function. Kapag not function siya, automatic relation lang siya. Ha? So, let's have this 4, 0, 5, 1, and then 6, 2. So, to determine if it is a function or not function, tingnan nyo lang po dyan yung domain nyo or yung first coordinates. So, automatic po, pag may naulit na number sa domain mo, ibig sabihin, not. So, dito, meron tayong domain na 4, 5, 6. So, wala pong naulit. So, that is a function. So, kung mapapansin niyo yung given natin is 1 to 1. No, ang correspondence niya ay 1 to 1. Next, negative 8, 10, negative 8, 9, and negative 8, 8. So, sa domain natin, meron tayong negative 8. So, naulit ang negative 8. So, that is not function. So, yan ay one to many class. So, not function. Next, negative 26, negative 26, negative 10, 2. So, naulit ang negative 26. So, one to many ulit. So, that is not function. Okay, di walang naulit. Not function. Naulit lang siya sa y ha, pero sa values ng x, wala po tayong naulit ha. Ang negative 2 ay iba sa positive 2 ha. Okay, next po. Okay, this is a function again. Yan ay many to 1. So, sa types of correspondence class, magiging not function lang siya kapag yung type ng correspondence mo ay one to many. Kasi di ba pag one to many, meron kang iisa lang na domain. So, ibig sabihin na ulit dun yung domain mo. So, yun lang ang magiging not function. Pero ang many to one at one to one ay function na yun. Okay, next. This is one to one, so that is function. This is one to many, di ba? Last time, one to many yan. So, we have not function. Okay, so ngayon, paano natin madedetermine kung function or not function yung graph? So, using vertical line test. So, if every vertical line intersects the graph no more than once, the graph represents a function. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Example tayo. So, kunwari meron akong ganitong graph. So, ang vertical line test natin, so magdodrawing kayo ng linyang nakatayo dun sa graph ninyo. Tulad nito, yan. Kapag na-intersect nung line na yon, nung vertical line na yon, yung graph mo ng isang beses, ano yan, function. Pero kapag na-intersect yan ng dalawang beses o higit pa, not function na yun. So, in this case, ito ay function. Kasi na-intersect ng vertical line mo yung graph mo ng isang beses lang. So, ito yung intersection niya kung saan sila nag-meet, di ba? So, yan ay function. Okay? Kahit dito kayo mag-drawing ng vertical line, function pa rin yan kasi dito mo lang yan mai-intersect. So, isa lang talaga. So, ibig sabihin ang values ng domain dyan, ng x dyan ay magkakaiba. Okay, next. Dito po. So, drawing tayong vertical line. So, ayan, na-intersect natin yan ng dalawang beses. Ayan po, dalawa. So, yan ay not function. Kasi magkakaroon dyan kadyan ng magkaparehong x. Diba? Okay po, next. Okay, next. We have, ayan, so drawing lang tayo. Ayan. So, again, na-intersect niya ng two different points. So, again, that is a not function. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple sa graph ha. Basta na-intersect niya yung graph mo ng isang beses function, pero kapag higit na sa isa, not function na yun. Okay, so let's now proceed in function notation. The f of x notation can also be used to define a function. If f is a function, the symbol f of x is used to denote the value of the function f at a given value of x. So before we determine the value of f at a given value of x, so let's have first changing equation in the form of f of x is equal to mx plus b. So first po, take note po na ang y natin equals lang yan sa f of x. Same lang po yan ha. So ngayon, kung alam niyo yung tatransform ng equation into slope-intercept form, madadalian na kayo dito kasi yung y nyo naman papalitan nyo lang ng f of x. So let's have this example. Y minus x equals 4. So again, kailangan maiwan sa left side ang y. So we need to get the additive inverse of negative x, which is positive x. So add positive x in left side and in the right side. So APE yon using additive properties of equality. Yan. And then we will cancel. So we have here y is equal to x plus 4. So okay na po, y na lang siya, at the same time positive na rin. So change lang natin to ng f of x. So our answer will be f of x is equal to x plus 4. Next. 7x minus y equals 14. So we have here additive inverse of 7x is negative 7x. Add kayo dito. And then dito sa kabilang side. Cancel. So we have now negative y is equal to negative 7x plus 14. So we need to multiply it by negative 1 because your y here is negative. So multiply both sides by negative 1, MPE. So we have here positive y is equal to negative 7 times negative 1, positive 7. So we have 7x. 14 times negative 1, negative 14. So we have y is equal to 7x minus 14. Or, change lang natin, f of x is equal to 7x minus 14. Last example. We have 2x plus 3y equals 6. So additive inverse of 2x, negative 2x. Both sides natin i-add. So, negative 2x, cancel. So, we have 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. And then, multiply by 1/3, which is the reciprocal of 3, para ma-cancel ang 3 dyan, para maalis. So, multiply both sides by 1/3. So, maka-cancel na to. So, negative 2x times 1/3 is negative 2/3 x. 6 times 1/3 is 6 over 3. 6 over 3 is equal to 2. So, our answer will be y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2, or f of x is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2. So, ayan po yon. Okay, so we are now in finding the value of f at a given x. So, example po, f of 5 in f of x is equal to x plus 15. So, you will need to substitute the value of 5 in x. So, we have here f of 5 is equal to 5 plus 15. 5 plus 15 is 20. So, our answer will be the value of f at 5 is equal to 20, or f of 5 is equal to 20. So, ganun lang po kasimple. Next example. F of negative 2 in x squared minus 2. So, we have here f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared minus 4. Negative 2 squared is 4. So 4 minus 4, we have 0. So f of negative 2 is equal to 0. 0. So the value of f at negative 2 is 0. Next. Find f of negative 3 in x squared plus 2x minus 5. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 squared plus 2 times negative 3 minus 5. So simplify lang natin itong mga to. Negative 3 squared, we have 9. 2 times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. So we have here 9 minus 6 minus 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So the value of f of negative 3 is negative 2. And then the last one, we have f of 8 in x squared minus x plus 10. So we have f of 8 is equal to 8 squared minus 8 plus 10. So this is 64, 8 squared. So 64 minus 8 is 56 plus 10 is 66. So the value of f at 8 is equal to 66. So ganyan lang po. And that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.